Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rochelle, I'm 23 and I love to make videos about my life, so stay, listen and enjoy. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing some magnetic eyelashes. I have seen these for a while now on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, anywhere you name it, they're there. But what I couldn't help but notice was that they were, 40, 50, 60 pounds. They're not cheap. So I found these on Amazon for £13 with Prime 10 and I was like, well, let's just do it. I don't have to invest the £50 off the bat. I can start off with some cheap and cheerful ones. So let's see how well these £10 magnetic eyelashes from Amazon really do. So at the moment I have just curled my eyelashes and I have like the thinnest layer of mascara on. If I was going to put fake lashes on anyway, this is exactly what I would do. So that's the base for my eyelashes at the moment. Let's see what we get inside the box. So inside the box we've got a little instruction manual which I'm not going to read. I'm just going to wing it, as I drop some tweezers on the floor. So this is the content of the box. We have some little eyelash grabbers. Obviously this is going to help us to apply the eyelashes. We have the magnetic liner, so this is going to be what the eyelashes are going to stick to. I'm assuming it's in the colour black. This is the wand, so you can see it's nice and thin. And then the reason I chose these particular sets of cheap lashes was because it came with this little compact case. So it opens up, it's got a nice little mirror there, perfect. The first set of eyelashes, the second set of eyelashes, and then in the box you even get a third set of lashes. So for £13 you're getting 3 sets of fake lashes plus the eyeliner. Okay, so let's look at the 3 sets of eyelashes that you get. This is the first set, so as you can see it's very natural. This is the second set, so as you can see these are definitely party lashes. And then the third set are even longer. So I'm not sure which style. Let's try the natural ones actually. Let's go on for the natural ones and maybe the medium ones. The long ones I don't think I'm going to use. They're just way too wispy and long for me personally. I have to say I really love how this comes because, if you're out and about, everyone needs a mirror. But to be able to keep your eyelashes on you, say after you're done on a night out in the taxi home, you can literally just take them off and put them back where they came from. So I really love this feature, especially the fact that it's multi-layered. So the first step is to apply the eyeliner. I am going to cheat, I'm not going to use the mirror that they've given me. I've actually got a big mirror here, so I'm going to place it down here, right in front of me, and then I'm just going to go in and just do a thin line, because if I'm going to be doing natural eyelashes, I'm not going to want a thick eyeliner personally. So let's see how a thin eyeliner works with the magnets. You might be thinking, well, that's actually a pretty thick line. I didn't anticipate the eyeliner to come off so thick, so I actually have done like a medium line without meaning to. Okay, so this is the first eye done. Let's try and do the same on the second eye. Oh, I've made it thicker. It always happens, doesn't it? It always happens. Uneven eyeliner, damn. Okay, let's just pretend that didn't happen. Okay, this is just going to have to do because we all know we could be here for days adding until like our whole face is full of eyeliner. So I'm going to stick with these two. As I said, I've done the line a bit thicker than I normally would, but in this case it probably should help with the eyelashes. My first thoughts on the eyeliner, however, is that although the brush looks thin, a lot of product comes out and I wasn't expecting that. So that's why immediately as I tried to cut it thin, a big black line came out. So I think that you definitely need to be aware of that. Really, if you wanted to, I suppose you could actually just dip an eyeliner brush that you already have in this to make a thinner line. If you have a eyeliner one that you prefer, you could probably just dip it in to get less product, and maybe in future I would do that. But yes, this is it. Right, to the exciting bit, let's see if we can get these bad boys on. What's interesting is that you can actually see the magnets on the eyelash. I don't know what I expected, but they are very prominent. And then you can see there's about 5 magnets on the lash line. So I'm assuming this end is to go on the inside, so I'm just going to try and put them on straight up. I try and bring you in closer. Ooh, that zoom. Okay, maybe I should have done that for the eyeliner, sorry guys. So let's just, I don't know. Okay, I'm so not used to putting these on, eyelashes on with tweezers. I normally just do it with my fingers, so maybe I should just do the same here. So I'm just going to use my fingers to push the magnet onto my lash lines. It's on. This end magnet is being a bit of a trouble actually. Let's try and move that to the wing. So this is mascara, this is eyelash. As you can see, it is fuller. Obviously these are the natural eyelashes, so this is like the before and the after. So we put on the second eyelash. I mean, this one went on so much easier. I mean, look, done. So I've got the eyelashes on. I have to say they do feel heavier than normal eyelashes, so maybe like 25% heavier. Not awful, but there is a weight there, obviously the magnet. I'm sure you'd probably get used to it though the longer that you wear them. So these are the natural lashes. Let's just do a thumbnail quickly. I'm just going to take these off, so just a quick pull like that, and then they just snap on to the container because it has a little magnetic ring there. So that is also a great benefit, so that you don't lose your eyelashes. You just pull them off and put them on. These are the medium style lashes, which are wild, and these are the largest ones. As you can see, these ones are just crazy. Okay, let me take these off and put back on the natural ones. So I have the natural ones back on. I've just kind of touched up the eyeliner a bit. But I mean, they look cute and they feel secure. They don't feel like they're going to fall off or anything like that, if that's what you're worried about. So my final thoughts as to do I think these are worth it? Yes and no. Yes, because they were easy to apply. Once the eyeliner was on, actually it was only the one pair that was a bit difficult. Putting these back on was so easy, so they really did snap on, snap off perfectly. The only downside would be, one, I just don't like the style of lashes. So the other two are just too crazy, too wild. I would never wear them. These ones are okay, they're normal ones, they're natural ones. I actually prefer them just a bit like thicker than this, but you know, the natural ones would be okay if the eyeliner was thinner. That brings me on to point two. The eyeliner is very thick, very gloopy. Even though the wand isn't that big, it does literally slap it on. So I think in future, if I was going to do this again, I might use a different eyeliner wand, or I might really take the time to like make sure everything's off of the brush just to do a thin line, because I think with thick eyeliner and natural eyelashes, they kind of counteract each other. That being said, for the £10, £13 price point, obviously that is very good. Value for money, I don't know. I think if you did get expensive ones, they probably would have really nice flattering styles. The eyeliner would probably be very thin and, you know, to the point. But I mean, as I said, for £10, you really can't complain. And I don't think these are awful either. They're so easy to put on. The only thing I noticed when I was switching between the eyelashes, once I pulled them off, it did pull off the eyeliner, but I suppose that's only for me because I'm trying on all three at one time. If you were to use this on a night out, you know, you'd only pull them off when you were done with them. So that is something to keep in mind, with that if you were to take it off, that does pull off the eyeliner too, but not really a problem. So overall, I'm going to rate these bad boys a 6, 7 out of 10, just because the eyeliner was very thick and splodgy. I didn't like the two other styles, so really I only like this style, and even then I don't love them, but obviously that's preference, up to you. But the magnets and actually keeping them on and off, look, you know, was so easy, really snapped into place. So that was like, you know, 10 out of 10 for application and removal. I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. It was very fun to kind of purchase these, you know, for a fraction of the retail price, you know, like Glamnetic and all those other ones. So it's nice to see what you can get at different price points. I would like to do this again with thinner eyeliner and see how the natural eyelashes look with a thinner eyeliner. So if I manage to do that before I upload this video, I will insert a picture now. So this is a little update from the future, from Future Rosh. I've done the eyeliner again and took specific care to do it thinner. So this is how it came out with the eyelashes attached. The only issue is with thinner eyeliner, it was definitely more difficult to assemble. So it meant that I kind of had to put a bit more eyeliner over the top, try and secure them in. So, you know, with thin eyeliner, it's kind of a no-go. I would feel more comfortable with the thicker line that you just saw. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope it's helped you make an informed purchase decision. I will also link the eyelashes down below, so if you do want to look at these exact ones, they'll be in the description for you. If you've liked this video and you found it entertaining, why haven't you hit that like button? Go give it a like. Comment down below if you've used magnetic eyelashes before. I would like to know which ones you use and what's your opinion, or if you haven't, you know, would you ever try them? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell. I produce 2 new videos every single week. And I've lost my voice. Let me try that again. I produce 2 new videos every single week and I wouldn't want you to miss any. So until the next time, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.